Rere ciana cia junior secondary irorete kuingira mwaka wa keri mwaka ukite kwaya gugakorwo na wagagu wigi mathomo ma junior secondary kurumirira mateta mari arutani mari namo kuma kundu gutiganite. Arutani a junior secondary ni marutite mukana wa kugoma Januari ya mwaka turorete ni kiria maugite ni kwaga kuhingio gwa ciiraniro iria maiguithanirie na thirikari. Kaunti-ini ya Baringo kiama kia arutani ya secondary gia KUPET kiugite arutani aya aria makoretwo magithomithia kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe mabatie kwandikwo ni TSC ta uria yamereire.
We are going to urge all our colleagues to stand in solidarity with the JSS teachers that they must be turned to permanent and pensionable. So come January, we will issue a notice if nothing is done between now and January.
We got shocked when we heard from the Commission that it was planning to renew our contract. We are saying that we are not going to renew that contract. It is against the law.
Teacher Service Commission must confirm JSS teachers.
Na ciegie mishara iria makoretwo makirihwo arutani kuma mwena wa Eldoret ni matetete makiuga mushara uria maiguithanirie wa ciringi 20,000 tiguo makoretwo makirihwo kuona ni unyihitio nginyagia ciringi 17,000 guku na wa arutani kuma kaunti-ini ya Bungoma makiorota TSC makiuga ithiete na mbere na kumahinyiriria kuona ona imwe cia indo iria marabatara mathomo-ini ma JSS matiraheo.
Sisi ndio tunajua junior secondary vile inafunzwa. Na iwapo hawaendi kutuajiri, hatuendi kufunza CBC, tunaenda kuangusha CBC. We are going to fail them totally.
No confirmation, no CBC.
I'm one teacher who teaches computer. And the facilities for computers are not available.
Nao arutani ya junior secondary kuma kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ni mokereire amwe a bunge kaunti-ini ino aria maugite ni mayukitie wira wa TSC kuria makoretwo makiandika aratao ta arutani kuria moritie TSC kumahe mweke wa mbere hari wandikani wa arutani uria ugatabanio mwaka ukite.
What we have been seeing is the TSC dishing out employment letters to the politicians who come to give those letters to their favorite people.
Those people who are graduated in 2021 are going 2022 are going direct to the PNP while we are waiting for us to be confirmed by 2024.
A junior secondary school teacher is overworked, underpaid, oppressed, heavily taxed, depressed.
Na kuona thirikari yakindirire thukuru cia junior secondary ikorwo thukuru-ini cia muthingi arutani aya maugite undu uyu ndwari mwagiriru riu makiendekithia junior secondary hamwe na arutani ayo mathamirio thukuru-ini cia secondary. Arunao kuma kaunti-ini ya Kitui makiongerera ati wona arutani a junior secondary maga gutangikirwo mutaratara wa mathomo wa CBC waya gutharara na njira nene.
Promises are dead. Don't keep on promising things that you cannot deliver. We want to be given permanent and pensionable job.
Gukiri uguo arutani aya maritie na kayo kamwe na kuga angikorwo thirikari ndikumarora ne hingi uria meraniire matire na udungi tiga kuiga mirothi Januari mwaka ukite. Kiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.